podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat to the Charles Nicolle Hospital. Don't worry, everything is fine with me. I hope it is with you too. But why does the hospital, or also called U.H.C., University Hospital Center, of Rouen bears the name of Charles Nicolle? First, because Charles Nicolle is from Rouen. Indeed, this French doctor and microbiologist who died in 1936 in Tunis was born in 1866 in Rouen. Then, because he received the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1928 for his work on typhus. The following year, he was even elected a member of the Academy of Sciences. It is for this reason that in 1953, the Rouen Hospital decided, in homage to his work, to bear his name. Speaking of the Charles Nicolle Hospital, if you are on Rougemont, I challenge you to find the abandoned tower hidden there. To help you, go listen to my podcast #44 called Find the Tower of Abandonment. Up to you.